So, hey guys.
Milk's illegal.
Hey Dad.
I'm illegal.
If I was illegal, I would not be in this place.
Whoa. Whoa.
Why do you even know what illegal means? Illegal means that you can't do it, and it's against the law.
Why is my life so dim?
So how am I illegal?
My lights dim too.
I'm illegal.
You're poor and one time and one time you shot a gun because you
You just got
no.
Shut the mouth up.
Did you hear what Maya just said? Maya, why would you say that? I'm not poor.
I'm fixing to walk home.
My
I'm
mom
fixing to go home.
seriously just bought a car, and we're seriously about to live in Yargo Township. How is that poor? Yargo Townships are Maya, that's not nice. That is not nice.
Because I'm going to make a video. Make it
That's
quick.
not funny.
Everyone, did I have a shot in here?
I know what? That funny, but it was funny. You wouldn't like it if I said you were poor, would you? Especially you, Kirsten.
Why you got that light on?
Video.
You don't. It ain't gonna show up if you got the light on.
I'm gonna video too. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. All y'all gotta be on YouTube, okay?
You have to ask for our permission, and I'm not giving you permission.
I don't care.
You need permission to record me, and you don't have my permission, so you can't record me.
Yep.
Don't record me, Kirsten. I feel okay.
Don't record.
I feel cool.
Yeah, please stop.
Guys,
Kevin, you getting on my nerves. Stop.
come on. Can you use my phone now?
Look at them clouds going down there, y'all.
Boom.
One looks like a wildfire. One looks like people that just themselves.
Whoops. Oopsie.
I'm gonna go tell you, Mama.
Please don't.
For some reason, I have a feeling cops are gonna come.
Yeah, me too. If I get arrested, I'm not gonna be on YouTube anymore. I'm not gonna record videos, nothing like that.
If we get arrested, we're gonna have to. No, if we get arrested, guess that me and you will be the only ones left. We'll go hide in the car.
No, you.
Is that a bat?
Y'all better be quiet. Yes.
Guys, y'all wanna go jail?
That's so addicted to
I know.
On and on and on. No, we're calling.
Guys. Did y'all see that, guys?
The bat is scary.
Get out.
And it looks like Superman's symbol.
Please leave her. No.
Yeah,
Just stay in the car now. You ain't getting back out.
that looks scary. Like, look at that, guys.
It looks nothing like. Yeah?
Don't be quiet.
I don't. What? What are you on? Instagram?
I'm pushing it to my phone.
Are you on Discord?
How do you know about Discord?
Is this great?
You have it?
I do.
Yeah. That's a question.
I mean, I don't have.
Do y'all have
Discord.
TikTok? Don't
Hey, stay.
Don't say that word again.
No one. TikTok stinks. It's stupid. Instagram's better and Discord's better.
Noah? TikTok is cool.
Well, Instagram's better.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Instagram is kind of better.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Whoa. Do you want me to post it as my Instagram stories? Huh? Do you?
Does it look like I care about an Instagram story? Kirsten, stop laughing. You make me laugh, and I don't want to laugh because I'm sad and mad and proud and bad.
Guys, start that.
I'm scared.
I'm not. Are you gonna pee your pants after me?
Stop being stupid.
You better not pee your pants. Or if
gotta
you pee
know
your pants, I'm big.
My neighbor was here. She would have been yelling. sound like gunshots. Good job.
I mean, good. I mean, not good shot.
Okay.
Guys,
Sneeze.
Calvin
Yeah,
doesn't
sneeze.
record y'all.
I need a haircut now. Sneezes can go up to 20 feet. I just need a haircut. That's all.
No,
Shave that off.
no, you can't. Get
Kirsten,
a
are
haircut.
you recording me?
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
It's okay, Candace.
No. Stop. I'm trying to see my fans. I'm gonna talk to my. So that's it. Where I look at that sign, military base. I got like Area 51. Like in real life. I'll probably be like Area 51.
David was.
And then we'll get shot.
Oh, now you're just lying, Kirsten. You did not find.
English must come. Never watched this video.
You've never been to Area 51, Kirsten.
I will.
Including me.
Okay, look. Say, let me add some phone.
And writing like white waves.
No, you too.
That was like the fakest laugh.
You're my thumbnail.
No, that's my real laugh. You sound like a faker laugh.
Thumbnail.
That's
At least I'm not thumbnail.
look, you got the thumbnail now.
Don't, Caleb.